This is really an honor to be before Honorable Director, Honorable Ma'am Shabana, and respected Principal, Ma'am Anam. And I'm also grateful to all my colleagues, and I love all my students. Before I sing, I will say a few worthy words to you all. Because these words are especially for grade 12 students, so I hope they would listen attentively. Now you all are at a point from where you can see diverse roads, and here you are supposed to pick one out of those roads, okay? Because now after 10 plus 2, obviously, you will be at a point from where you are supposed to pick a road. You will see diverse roads, and you might get confused. So you're supposed to be very, very vigilant, very careful, because whatever road, whatever field you will be picking up today, and because after a couple of years, if you realize that, I have chosen a wrong field, or I have walked onto a wrong road, so that time life, would not give you a second chance, to go back to that particular point from where you had started earlier. So this is why you are supposed to be very, very careful, vigilant. Okay, even you will be receiving advices from your teachers, from your mentors, from other important people. So you have to be very careful. Even pick up advices very carefully. Everyone should know. I think everyone must be knowing what his or her ability is, what his or her potential is. So according to your potential, according to your ability, I advise you to pick up your field or to walk on that particular road, because if you do so, I hope your journey will be smooth, easy, and one harsh reality, I think that you all are aware of, that you may come across challenges. You would surely come across challenges in your life. You would surely even you may come across failure. So if you may Allah forbid it, but life is quite uncertain. I hope you know that. So this is why if you come across challenges, so you have to be very strong. You have to be an epitome of strength, because if you stay strong, if you stay powerful and confident, so I think it will be easy for you to everywhere. Means, wherever you will be going tomorrow is spread love, because I believe love is the only weapon by which you can win the hearts of the people. You can conquer their hurts only by spreading love. I advise you to not adopt aggression or attitude or aggressive attitude. Try to deal your life situations with love, with patience, because if you stay calm, if you stay patient, so I think it will be easier for you all to cope up with the problems or with the situations that you would be coming across in near future. So I wish you all good luck, and may Allah prosper you ever, and may Allah bestow His grace upon you ever. Thank you so much. I'm gonna sing, and this song is about friendship. As you all know, that friendship is a precious relationship. What we're even with our parents, but we can share that particular emotion with a true friend. So I think you all already know a significance of a true friend. So this song is about friendship. I think even यारों दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये न हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार। यारों मोहब्बत ही तो बंदगी है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो दिलबर हो यार, जिसको तुझसे हो प्यार, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार। तेरी हर एक बुराई पे डांटे वो दोस्त, गम की हो धूप तो साया बने तेरा वो दोस्त। नाचे भी वो तेरी खुशी में, अरे यारों दोस्ती बड़ी हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार। तन मन करे तुझ पे फिदा महबूब हो, पलकों पे भी रखे तुझे महबूब हो। जिसकी वफा तेरे लिए हो, अरे यारों मोहब्बत ही तो बंदगी है, ये न हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो दिलबर हो यार, जिसको तुझसे हो प्यार, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार। थैंक यू सो मच।